Hello from Sicily. Imagine flying over fiery volcanoes, driving past sunny beaches, and walking through ancient ruins older than the Colosseum. From the busy markets of Palermo to the amazing Greek theater of Taormina, Sicily is a treat for your eyes, ears, and taste buds. We'll discover the island's rich history, a mix of ancient Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. Get ready for delicious arancini, fresh seafood, and the sweetest cannoli you've ever had. I'm your guide, and we're going on an unforgettable trip together. Our first stop is Palermo, Sicily's exciting capital city. Nestled on the northern coast of the island, Palermo is a city that has been shaped by a myriad of cultures over the centuries. From the Phoenicians to the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, Normans, and Spaniards, each civilization has left its mark, creating a vibrant mosaic of history and culture. Forget what you think a typical Italian city is like. Palermo is a fun, sometimes crazy mix of cultures. The streets are alive with a blend of architectural styles, from Baroque churches to Arab Norman palaces, and the people reflect this diversity with a rich tapestry of traditions and customs. Imagine walking through the POLARMO market, a mix of sights, sounds, and smells. This market is one of the oldest in Palermo, dating back to the Arab period. It's a sensory overload, with vendors shouting out their wares, the aroma of freshly cooked street food, and the vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables. People sell fresh fruits and vegetables, seafood shines on ice, and the variety is astounding. From prickly pears to swordfish, the market offers a glimpse into the rich culinary traditions of Sicily. The air is buzzing with energy. Vendors passionately engage with customers, haggling over prices and sharing stories. It's a place where the community comes together, and you can feel the heartbeat of Palermo. This amazing building shows Sicily's diverse past, a cool mix of Norman, Arab, and Byzantine styles. The Palermo Cathedral is a testament to the island's complex history, with its unique blend of architectural influences that tell a story of conquest and coexistence. Look up and be amazed by the detailed mosaics and high ceilings that have been around for centuries. The intricate artwork and the grandeur of the cathedral's interior are awe-inspiring, reflecting the skill and artistry of the craftsmen who built it. Walk down a small side street and you'll find hidden courtyards with colorful flowers and the smell of fresh coffee. These charming alleys are where you can discover the true essence of Palermo, away from the bustling main streets. This is the real charm of Palermo, the surprises waiting around every corner. Each turn reveals a new facet of the city's character, from quaint cafes to historic buildings, making every walk an adventure. Palermo is a street food heaven. The city is famous for its delicious and diverse street food offerings, which are a reflection of its multicultural heritage. Grab a hot arancino, a crispy fried rice ball filled with meat sauce or creamy mozzarella. This iconic Sicilian snack is just one of the many culinary delights you can enjoy as you explore the city. As the sun sets over Palermo, making the city's rooftops glow, you'll see why this city is a true Sicilian treasure. The golden light casts a magical glow over the city, highlighting its beauty and making it a perfect end to a day of exploration. Next, we travel to Taormina, a town high on a cliff overlooking the Ionian Sea. This picturesque town is a gem of Sicily, known for its stunning views, rich history, and vibrant culture. As we soar above the coastline, you can see why Taormina has been a favorite destination for centuries. The blend of natural beauty and architectural marvels is simply breathtaking. This is Sicily at its fanciest, a place where old ruins meet fancy hotels. The juxtaposition of ancient history and modern luxury creates a unique atmosphere that is both enchanting and inviting. Imagine staying in a luxurious hotel with a view of ancient ruins right outside your window. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Imagine walking along Corso Umberto, Taormina's main street, with fancy shops, cute cafes, and beautiful views of the coast. This bustling street is the heart of Taormina, where you can find everything from high-end boutiques to charming local shops. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and delicious Sicilian pastries fills the air, making it a perfect spot to take a leisurely stroll and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Our first stop is the best part of Taormina, the Greek theater. This ancient amphitheater is one of the most well-preserved in the world and offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. As you stand in the theater, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient performances that once took place here. This old amphitheater, from the 3rd century BC, has amazing views of Mount Etna and the coast. The dramatic backdrop of the smoking volcano and the sparkling sea makes it a truly unforgettable sight. It's easy to see why this location was chosen for such a grand structure. The theater is still used today for performances, adding a modern touch to this ancient site. Now let's escape the crowds and walk through Tormina's charming backstreets. These narrow alleys are filled with hidden gems, from quaint little shops to cozy cafes. The colorful buildings and cobblestone streets create a picturesque setting that feels like stepping back in time. It's a perfect place to explore and discover the true essence of Tormina. For a taste of the good life, go down to Isola Bella, a small island connected to the land by a little bit of sand. This tiny island is a natural reserve and offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the town. The crystal-clear waters and lush vegetation make it a perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing and enjoying the stunning scenery. As the day ends with a fiery sunset over the Ionian Sea, you'll see why Taormina has been popular with artists, writers, and travelers for a long time. The vibrant colors of the sunset reflecting off the water create a magical atmosphere that is truly captivating. It's a perfect way to end a day in this beautiful town, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. This is a place to enjoy, relax, and soak up the beauty of Sicily. Whether you're exploring the historic sites, indulging in delicious local cuisine, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Taormina offers something for everyone. It's a destination that captures the heart and soul of Sicily, leaving you with a sense of wonder and a desire to return again and again. Get ready to relax on the golden sands of Cefalù, a charming coastal town that's perfect for relaxing and exploring history. Imagine walking along the Lungomare, the walkway by the coast, with the smell of the ocean and the sound of waves. Cefalù's iconic Duomo, a magnificent Norman cathedral, stands tall in the skyline. It looks like it grows right out of the rock. Step inside to find beautiful Byzantine mosaics, showing Cefalù's rich past. If you like adventure, hike up La Rocca, the big cliff overlooking the town. You'll see amazing views of Cefalù, the coast, and the Tyrrhenian Sea. As the sun sets, making the rooftops glow, you'll see why Cefalù is one of Sicily's most loved coastal towns. Get ready to go back in time as we explore the Valley of the Temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that shows you ancient Greece. This archaeological wonder is located in Agrigento, Sicily, and is one of the most significant remnants of Greek civilization outside of Greece itself. Imagine standing near tall columns, each one meticulously carved and standing the test of time for over 2 millennia, feeling the history and the echoes of a civilization that's long gone. The air is thick with stories of gods, heroes, and ancient rituals. The most impressive thing here is the Temple of Concordia, one of the best preserved Greek temples in the world. Built in the 5th century BC, it stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Greeks. Its huge columns, lit by the Sicilian sun, seem to touch the sky. The sunlight casts a golden hue, making the ancient stones glow with a timeless beauty. But the Valley of the Temples is more than just one building. It's a sprawling complex that offers a glimpse into the grandeur of ancient Greek society. As we walk through this amazing place, we are surrounded by the remnants of a bygone era. We see the ruins of temples dedicated to Zeus, Hera, and Hercules, each structure telling its own unique story of devotion and mythology, each with its own story. These temples were not just places of worship, but also centers of social and political life. As the sun goes down, casting a warm glow over the ancient stones, making long shadows across the temples, the entire valley transforms into a mystical landscape. You'll feel connected to the past. It's a journey not just through space, but through time, offering a profound connection to the ancient world. Get ready to be charmed by Syracuse, a city that mixes ancient history with Baroque beauty. We'll start in the ancient part of Syracuse, the archaeological park of Neapolis. Here we'll walk through the ruins of a Roman amphitheater and see the Ear of Dionysius, a cave with amazing sound. Next we'll go to Ortigia, the historic center of Syracuse, on its own island. The Syracuse Cathedral, a Baroque masterpiece built on top of an ancient Greek temple, is the main site in Ortigia. As the sun goes down, go to the waterfront and enjoy the beautiful golden hour. Syracuse and Ortigia offer a unique mix of history, culture, and charm that you'll love. Get ready for an adventure to Mount Etna, Europe's biggest and most active volcano. From far away, Etna is huge. Its snowy top often has smoke coming out. We'll take a 4x4 up Etna, driving over volcanic rock and ash. Look into steaming craters, see the power of nature, and enjoy amazing views. But Etna isn't just about fire. It's also a very fertile region. The volcanic soil is very rich, perfect for growing grapes for some of Sicily's best wines. We'll visit a winery on Etna where you can try unique volcanic wines with strong flavors. As the sun sets, making Etna glow, you'll understand why this volcano is so special. Get ready to eat a lot, because no trip to Sicily is complete without trying its amazing food. Sicilian food is all about fresh ingredients, with flavors from the island's diverse culture. We'll start with the classics. Arancini, those delicious fried rice balls, are a must-try. Filled with meat sauce or mozzarella, they're amazing. And of course, you have to try cannoli. These crispy pastries filled with sweet ricotta cream are the perfect dessert. Get ready for pasta alla norma, with eggplant, tomatoes, and ricotta salata cheese. For a real Sicilian experience, go to family-run restaurants. Now, let's talk about planning, because a little planning makes your trip to Sicily much better. The best time to visit is spring and fall, when the weather is nice and there aren't many tourists. Renting a car lets you explore freely, but be ready for some tricky driving, especially in the cities. If you prefer to relax, Sicily has good public transportation with trains and buses. While Italians are friendly, learning a few basic Italian phrases will be helpful. Pack light clothes, sunscreen, and a hat to protect you from the sun. As our Sicilian adventure ends, I hope you have great memories, full bellies, and a new love for this island. From Palermo to the ruins of Agrigento, from Mount Etna to the coastal towns, Sicily has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Sicilian trip today and discover the magic yourself. As the sun sets, making the Sicilian sky orange, pink, and purple, it's time to say goodbye to this magical island.